The next speaker is Jan Willems from our procurement office in Leuven, and he will summarize the responses to your questionnaires.
Good morning, everyone. So we know why we are here, but I think it's also interesting who is here, who is sitting next to you at your table. And therefore, at the website there is a questionnaire. And until today, 78 companies filled in this questionnaire. So if you already did or didn't, please fill in this questionnaire. I will give you an overview over the answers we received until today. As Frank already told, this PowerPoint will be placed on our website. "78 companies." Who are the companies? Yeah, we divided them like this. We have 9 large companies, 17 startups, 4 spin-offs, and 33 small and medium companies. 15 companies didn't give the right of correct information, so we will see where we end. The year the company was founded, you can see it here. Of course, the large companies are much older, and of course the startups are young and recently founded. Number of employees, yeah, of course we have 9 very big companies, but for the small and medium, it goes from 1 employee to 1,200. For the spin-off, from 1 to 9, and from the startup companies, from 1 to 25. Where do they come from? The geographical distribution. Most of the companies are EU-based companies, but we also received some answers from the USA and from Israel. Maybe this is a bit more in detail, who is coming from where. Then we had some questions with yes or no in our questionnaire. Is the Nightingale project in line with your business strategy? And these were the answers. For most of the companies, of course, yes. One company didn't answer, and there's one company who said, no, this is not in line with my business. Do you currently have technologies and/or software available to provide solutions to the functional requirements proposed in the PCP document? Yes or no? And these were the answers. Most of the companies have already something, but 6 companies are working on it. Is your company familiar with data protection and privacy legislation? Yes or no? And these were the answers. Is the scope of the Nightingale Challenge clear? For most of you, yes, but from some companies not. But that's why we organize meetings like this, to clarify the scope of this project. The next question. Is the scope of the challenge feasible, given the time frame and the budget? For most of you, yes, but from some companies, not. It's not feasible, and I think from what we heard last week in Brussels, it's most of the time it's the budget and the time frame that causes problems. Is your company able to carry out testing in 4 European countries in phase 3 of the project? Most of you said yes, answered yes. Do you have any legally binding agreement with any of the procurers of the consortium? Some of you have, some of you don't have. Are you interested in bidding to the Nightingale tender with other bidders and looking for partners to cooperate with? That's also one of the reasons why we are here today. Most of you said yes. This is also very important. Do you wish to publish your company name, contact details, and the main focus of your company on the public Nightingale website with the objective to search for partners to collaborate with? Again, most of you answered yes, some said no. And then the most important question for me as a procurer, are you interested in bidding to the Nightingale tender? And the answer is, everybody said yes. So this was a quick overview of the answers we received on the questionnaire. Please fill in so that we can update this PowerPoint and put on the website. Thank you very much.